Guys, we've just opened up a brand new merch store. Link will be in the description. You can cop awesome designs like this. I also want to thank those of you who have supported us via Patreon or become a YouTube member. The support's greatly appreciated, especially during times like these. And hey, don't forget to join our Discord. All links to the parts will be in the description. Enjoy the build. Hey guys, before we begin, 82% of people who are currently watching this video are not subscribed. So if that is one of you, consider hitting that subscribe button if you enjoy this content. G'day guys, welcome back to another PC build video. First of all, if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me. Today we've built a awesome PC for Logitech. You guys may have seen one similar, which was given away by Logitech. They wanted a second one and we did it for them. This time with a white, red and black theme. Before we get into the specs, if you guys would like to get yourself some merch, we have new designs like this. My personal favorite, the hyper-threaded hoodie. You can get them in black and white and all different colors. So feel free to check out that in the description below. And I'll also leave all of the specs of the PC in the description below as well for you guys to check out. A massive thank you to M-Wave and Logitech for helping out with this build. It's much appreciated. Couldn't have done it without you guys, and I had a very fun time creating this whole thing from scratch. Now this is one beefy system and the specs were actually chosen by you guys, the audience. Inside we have a 3900X CPU, which is utilizing all of those cores and threads for multi-threaded performance. For the graphics card, we do have the ASUS ROG Strix 2080 Ti. Now, of course, this is all cooled by EK water block, so that graphics card's gonna be running nice and smooth in the latest games. For the RAM, we do have the Trident Z Neo. We were trying to get the Trident Z RGB, but unfortunately, they didn't have any left in stock, so the Neo was the next best thing to go for. We have Corsair LL fans on top of this 360mm radiator, a Corsair HX1200 power supply, and with everything seated in it, of course, we have the ASUS ROG Crosshair 8 motherboard. For the storage, we've got a Seagate BarraCuda 8TB hard drive. And for the operating system, we also have a Samsung 1TB M.2 SSD. Now guys, I don't want to bore you too much longer with my talking. Hope you all enjoyed this build video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, consider subscribing. Also want to see you guys comment down below. Do you like the blue version or the red version better? Check out more videos on the channel. Lots of custom PCs, reviews, modding tutorials, and much more. And we'll see you all in the next one.